Some people spend their whole lives reacting, but peace is power when everyone else loses it. Anger is not strength, it's lack of energy. To master your mind is to become untouchable. Here is the first rule. Don't take things personally. What they say reveals them, not you. People project their pain outward, but the wise don't catch what isn't yours. The second rule, learn to pause. Every reaction costs peace. Choose silence instead. In that pause, you gain control. Third rule, understand emotion is energy. When you feel anger, breathe, don't explode. Breathe is the remote control of the mind. Fourth rule, expect imperfection. The world isn't supposed to please you. You suffer when you expect sense from nonsense. Fifth rule, see through ego. Ego says, they disrespected me. Wisdom says, they exposed their level. Every insult is just a test, not a truth. Sixth rule, stop expecting people to understand you. You don't need validation to be at peace. Peace begins when explanation ends. Seventh rule, shift from reaction to observation. Observe emotions, don't become them. Eighth rule, respond with reason, not reflex. Every reaction is a chance to evolve. Ninth rule, practice mental detachment. Detachment doesn't mean apathy. 10th rule, remember most things don't matter. In 1 week, will it still matter? In 1 year, will you even remember it? Anger is temporary blindness. Calm is clarity. Science says anger shortens lifespans. Calmness improves focus, memory, and creativity. So, choose health over reaction. The more you resist reacting, the stronger you get. 12th rule, walk away from chaos. Silence is often the loudest reply. 13th rule, humor helps. When you laugh at it, it loses control over you. 14th rule, forgive fast, forget faster. Forgiveness isn't weakness, it's emotional intelligence. 15th rule, be too focused to be offended. Purpose kills irritation. When your vision is strong, noise disappears. Anger fades when you outgrow the trigger. Spiritual truth peace is your natural state. The world disturbs only those still learning calm. The maturity is when you stop arguing and start understand. Sometimes silence wins louder than words. Peace isn't found, it's built daily. Learn to say that it's their story, not mine. True strength is calm under chaos. The goal isn't to control others, it's to control your reaction. You can't stop waves, but you can learn to surf. Beat the calm in every storm, and nothing can touch you. Still here? That means your peace journey has begun. Subscribe and stay unbothered.